Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and here's yet another helpful tip for you all. Okay, so in this one I'm going to show you how to turn on HDR Plus for videos. Okay, so it's real simple. Just open up the camera, go into the settings, and scroll down to where it says Advanced Video Options. And here you will see HDR Plus videos. So this works by optimizing the color and contrast of videos recorded in video and pro video modes. HDR Plus videos are saved in HEVC format. Just go ahead and turn that on, and that's all you have to do. So yeah guys, this was just my really quick video showing you how to turn on HDR Plus for videos on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If this video helped you out, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next video guys. I'm out. Deuces.